Not everyone is thrilled with the latest GPT-5 update. Some users feel the new personality is a step back, and others have noticed it struggles with math and finance compared to GPT-4o. If you're missing GPT-4o's reliability, there's a way to bring it back. If you're on the Plus or Pro plan. Here's how. Go to ChatGPT.com. Click your profile name at the bottom left, then open Settings. Turn on the toggle for Show Legacy Models. Close the settings, and you'll now see GPT-4o as an option in the model selector. You'll still have access to GPT-5, so you can switch back anytime. Keep in mind, this doesn't restore other GPT-4o models, and free accounts don't have this option. IT News brought to you by CD Technology, taking care of businesses in Tennessee for over 25 years. Call us today to discuss how we can help your business stay secure. 865-909-7606.